Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the F9E2 error code on your 2025 Maytag washer, don't worry, we've got you covered. This is a common issue that usually points to problems with the draining process, like a clog or a faulty pump. In just a few minutes, I'll break it down and show you how to troubleshoot it yourself. Let's dive in. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your washer before you start any troubleshooting to avoid any electrical mishaps. The F9E2 error typically means the washer is taking too long to drain, which could be caused by a blocked drain hose, excess suds from too much detergent, or even a problem with the drain pump itself. It's frustrating, but most of the time, it's an easy fix. Step 1. Check the drain hose. Locate it at the back of the washer and make sure it's not kinked or clogged. Remove any debris you find and ensure it's securely connected to the drain. This is often the culprit. Next, inspect the drain pump filter. On most 2025 Maytag models, you'll find it at the bottom front of the machine. Unscrew the cover, pull out the filter, and clean it thoroughly. Lint, coins, or small items can build up here and cause the error. If that doesn't resolve it, try a simple reset. Unplug the washer for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a quick cycle to see if the error clears. Also, double-check your detergent use. Oversudsing is a frequent cause, so switch to a high-efficiency option and measure it carefully. If you've gone through these steps and the error persists, it might be time to call in a professional. They can check for deeper issues like a defective pump or control board. There you have it, quick and easy ways to tackle the F9E2 error. Regular maintenance, like cleaning your washer monthly, can prevent this in the future. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips. See you next time.